Hey guys. Hey guys. How are you doing? Ladies and gentlemen, alrighty. Today we're gonna be reviewing a telephone. My dirty telephone. Currently, the Huawei i3. Here it is, guys. In all its glory. The infamous company Huawei in its mobile phone, the i3, that came out early 2019. Now I just received mine straight from China because you can't purchase this in the United States, but I received mine, and I can tell you I'm very happy with this phone. All right. The first thing about this Huawei phone that gets me is the fact that it has four cameras. All right. I didn't know this when I got it, but check it out. It's got two cameras in the front, and as you can see, it's got two cameras in the back. Now, with Huawei, it's been in the market for a few years now, but they in 2018 were the second largest smartphone seller, beating out Apple for the first time in 7 years. So Huawei is coming up in the ranks in the smartphone developers world, and Huawei is definitely here to stay. Now, this phone does not have 5G, and we do not have 5G in the United States. The only place that they have 5G right now would be in Korea with their Samsung S10 5G. But they also are rolling out with 5G in China in a very big way. So a lot of their phones, a lot of the Huawei phones are going to be 5G ready to go, and usable in places like Beijing, which I actually even saw a lot of these security cameras when I was out there, and all of these 5G looking towers. They're basically everywhere in the city. So if you ever go to China, you'll know what I'm talking about. So their phones in China are going to be 5G ready, and Huawei is pretty much ahead of the curve on that. Samsung and Huawei. So if you're looking for a phone that connects to the internet as quickly as possible and has multiple satellites floating around, you might want to look into the company of Huawei, because I believe that the United States is scared of this situation because their phones have a lot of these 5G satellites in their country, and a lot of satellites floating around. And the United States is actually very afraid of the backdoors that can be created with this phone. So yeah, if you're into security, if you're working for the CIA, NSA, or if you're into any government jobs, I do not recommend this phone because you're not going to be able to use it. And if you like to use T-Mobile, you're not going to be able to use it. I tried; they don't accept T-Mobile. And I know why. The reason being is because Samsung is actually in court for being accused of stealing T-Mobile's technological intellectual property. So there's that as well. So now, getting into the phone itself, amazing, awesome. Now, I'll just get into the bad parts of the phone that I don't like before I get into all the good parts. Okay, the bad parts. Number one, it's not iOS. Obviously, this is Android, and I'm an iOS lover. That's the first thing that I don't like. The second thing that I didn't like is the second thing carrying over from the fact that it's on iOS, in that it does not have iMovie. Now, all the other apps I can do away with. Most of the other apps I can do away with, but iMovie is one of those ones that I don't want to make. I don't want to have to do away with. I want to be able to use something that's actually native to this application, that actually does not have to require me to pay a monthly subscription to have the same effect as iMovie does, and it doesn't even have the same. They have to have InShot. They have all these different apps, video editing software, that does not even come close to that does not even come close to what Apple has to offer. And I looked around and tried to see what I could use for video editing software, and I couldn't find anything. So yeah, that's definitely an issue that I've had with this phone. But I am able to share videos between devices, and it happens very quickly. I use this app right here, Share It. Very cool app called Share It, and that actually will send videos from your iPad or your iPhone to this device and vice versa, and that way you will be able to you will be able to get the video over and do the editing software. Now, oh yikes, I'm running out of batteries, can you believe it? So I'll show you one of the coolest features on this phone that I like. Now, talking about the cool features, the coolest feature on this phone, I would say, would be the fact that is the connectivity to uploading to YouTube. I thought it was an Android. It was only because it's an Android, but I realized no, it's not. It's this particular phone is able to upload quickly to YouTube. My video upload speeds are much faster than my laptop, my iPhone, and my desktop. So primarily, if I was to upload anything to YouTube, I would do it through this device. I'd share it, I would edit it somewhere else, put it in this device, and upload it to YouTube. Only because it's faster. I don't know what it does. I'm not I know it has a carrying chip 710, but I don't think that's the reason why it's able to connect so quickly. I think it has something to do with the way it was built and the way it was designed. Maybe it's designed for 5G, but I know it's not 5G ready. Maybe something's different. But whatever it is, the upload speeds on this are lightning fast. Normally, with an Apple, with the Mac, with the iPhone, with whatever else I use, with any other Android, if I was to upload a video to YouTube, it could take up to an hour. With this phone, if I was to upload a video to YouTube in a matter of minutes, making it possible for me to upload up to 20 videos in a day. I can't do that with an Apple phone. So whatever that is, if my products are old, which they're not, if I have the lower products, which I don't, for uploading, this is much faster. And then the next cool part about this phone would be its dual screen that I first saw on Samsung, but now Huawei has it, and a lot of other phones have it. But this one does it very, very well. Let me just, normally this wallpaper is able to change. I want to change it to something cool. Yeah, this kind of gives you a little bit more to it. Okay. So here, if we say we hop into something that takes a lot of bandwidth, LiveMe. I don't know if you guys have heard of LiveMe, but it's a social networking site. Follow my LiveMe. It's Emeka Ibekwe. See if this is working. Oh, we're so good. So yeah, you can follow my LiveMe at Emeka Ibekwe. Just like that. So yeah, on LiveMe, it's like a social networking site. You guys may have heard of it before, but anyways, let's just hop into someone random. People pay you, and you pay. It's just check it out. I'll make a separate video on LiveMe. You can meet a lot of people, make friends, meet people. But let's just jump into a multi-beam, and you can see kind of what I'm talking about with this situation they have going on here. Okay, I'm just gonna go on anyone's LiveMe. I hope I don't get into anything with this. Try and go in something that's not someone I know. Okay. So let me get on with the video. It'd be even better, actually, to be honest, because it really shows what this is capable of. Okay, yeah. So these guys are having their own little video chat here, so you can check them out.
It's weird. I've been noticing it for the past 2 days.
All right, cool. So they're having their video chat, and I can just pull up right here like this. There, I got that. Now I got that going on. So they're having their video chat, and maybe I can start another game going on here. Let's see if the chip can handle it. So I'm starting Bullet Force. Breakfast milk. Put that up there. See? So I'm starting Bullet Force, and let's get going with the game. You're like, why is it in Chinese? Well, I'm practicing, guys. I'm practicing. So now we're in a. See? Not too much lag or anything like that. And we've got 2 things going on here. So multitasking and playing a game. Let's get into this, guys. See how this goes.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah. Is it laggy, guys? Is it laggy?
I'm just watching this. I'm just watching some videos.
See, interview. You can literally interact with this as well. See?
Special? No, that's gonna be
I can say, hey, guys,
I'm gonna watch porn. It's only
guys,
yeah.
space, guys.
There you go.
This keyboard is whack. I gotta set it.
Yeah, you gotta stick around.
You gotta stick around for me and my porn.
I'm gonna type in his whack. Give him a question mark. So they should talk back to me. Oh well. Looks like my match has just ended. So I gotta wait for that to finish.
That's it.
Let's see.
Now your father. I tuck you in. When are you coming back? You say you go now. Where are you going? Will you trick me?
Here, let me
I think
Let's
it's
see.
just staying for the porn, to be honest.
Porn. That's right. Back to porn.
so that's another thing I don't like about this is that the keyboard is not as precise. So I'm trying to get these guys to talk, saying this guy's, the deep voice. See if he'll respond. All right. There we go, guys. See, multitasking. I don't know if you can do this on your iPhone, but maybe you can. Where's everybody here? Oh, someone's shooting at me from somewhere. So yeah, I think you guys get the idea of this. So let's try to pull that down, shut that down. So yeah, that's the multitasking. But then we've also got the front-facing camera. It's got let's see, it's got AI. All right. Hi guys. It's kind of like iPhone. So my face is behind the camera. Oh my god. There we go. Haha. They got different faces here. It's a little bit different than what they have for iPhone, but it works. Then we also have super slow-mo. Let me show you. Hey guys, peace. Hey. So we got the slow-mo. All right. So that shoots it. We have oh shoot. Okay. Slow-mo. And then you hit right here. Oh no, wait. Okay. Okay, right here. See, 120 frames per second. So what does that look like? Let's hit a video. Let's see here. Here's some milk. Let's swirl it around. Hit the slow-mo. Oh my god. Oh my god, slow-mo. Okay, boom. Now let's watch our super slow-mo. So I think that's 120 frames per second. I think we want it slower than that, right? 400. This is the one that we're looking for. This is super slow-mo. So let's hit it. It's the difference in slow motion here. Okay. You can't even do it for that long. Frankly, see, it's processing. It takes time to load up 480 frames per second. Then we hit it. Let's see. What is the? Yeah, guys, see that? Ooh, look at that. 140 frames per second, dude. See that? It can't even really hold it that long, only like 5 seconds. So if you're trying to get something truly, you know, if you're trying to get something in the camera, truly, you really have to be a little bit on time to capture it. But if you get it, you get a really good photo. I wish I had something better than milk to show you, but there we go. All right. Now, what are the other hidden features? I wanted to show you the upload speeds, but yeah, and everything else is basically very easy to use. But yeah, the camera, the facial recognition for unlocking the phone works very well. Show you that right now. They recognize my face. It's pretty instant. See, recognize my face, or I could just be with the thing here, or I could just do that. And I think I can do it like lying down, you know? Recognize my face. So that's cool. I like that. But yeah, definitely check out Live Me and follow me on that app. But here, let me give you a look at the phone, just the body of the phone and what it looks like, all right? Let's get a nice shot of that. Because I actually have it in my case right here. Get some light in here. See, so right here, you can kind of see that, I'll show you how it looks like, you know. This is with my dirty case. So it comes with this case. So you'll get it with this case and you probably get this dirt on it like this. That's not a problem for me. Actually, I kind of like the way that looks. I don't know why. Kind of gives it some character. Let me show you a different wallpaper because it's supposed to change wallpapers. But of course, when you're sitting here on your hand, it doesn't change wallpaper. So let's just change it for you. Show you. Okay. Let's see which one is cool that I like. That it kind of shows off what it's got. This is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. As you can see, you can check them out. Different stuff to look at. I like this guy. Kind of gives you some ears, you know. Home screen. All right, so we got the older bear. Now, no, it changed back. Whatever, waste of time. Now, here's the two cameras on the front. 1, 2, and then let's pop it off so you can see it in all its true glory. If you want to go naked, there we go. So here's the gradient color that Huawei is famous for now, and here you go. There's the color that Huawei is so famous for now. Yeah, all in all, it's you know, it's just like kind of plastic, but it's a sturdy device. I do recommend it. $293 on online, and you know, it's a standout phone. It actually does get quite a fair bit of attention just sitting there like that, and it gives you that sleek, new, modern feel for about $250. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions on the Huawei Nova i3, ask me in the comment section below. And if not, you have a fantastic weekend. Peace, guys.